A. A for apple. A for apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Some other examples are A for ant, A for X, A for aeroplane. B. B for ball. B for ball. Catch it but don't fall. Some other examples are B for bag, B for bat, B for balloon. C. C for cat. C for cat runs after a rat. Some other examples are C for cap, C for car, C for camel. D. D for dog. D for dog. It guards our home. Some other examples are D for door, D for deer, D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. E for elephant that children like to ride. Some other examples are E for ear, E for egg, E for engine. F. F for fish. F for fish is the water queen. Some other examples are F for fan, F for fox, F for frog. G. G for girl. G for girl is pretty and sweet. Some other examples are G for gun, G for goat, G for grapes. H. H for hen. H for hen that lives in a coop. Some other examples are H for hat, H for horn, H for house. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream, so yummy to eat. Some other examples are I for iron, I for igloo, I for ink pot. J. J for joker. J for joker that makes you laugh. Some other examples are J for jam, J for jug, J for jacket. K. K for kite. K for kite, flying high in the sky. Some other examples are K for key, K for knife, K for kettle. L. L for lion. L for lion is the jungle king. Some other examples are L for lock, L for lamb, L for lamb. M. M for monkey. M for monkey lives in a tree. Some other examples are M for mat, M for moon, M for mango. Recognize the given pictures and encircle the correct first letter of their names. The first one has been done for you. A for apple, K for kite, I for iron, F for frog, J for jug, D for deer, G for goat, L for lion, M for mango, E for elephant, B for ball, H for horse. N. N for nest. N for nest, where the bird rests. Some other examples are N for net, N for nail, N for nose. O. O for owl. O for owl, the more it saw, the less it spoke. Some other examples are O for ox, O for onion, O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot, it loves to eat chilies. Some other examples are P for pan, P for pear, P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen is the wife of king. Some other examples are Q for quill, Q for quail, Q for quilt. R. R for rat. R for rat loves to eat cheese. Some other examples are R for rose, R for rope, R for rabbit. S. S for ship. S for ship that docks on the pier. Some other examples are S for sun, S for shoes, S for snake. T. T for tomato. T for tomato that makes a healthy soup. Some other examples are T for tree, T for train, T for telephone. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella goes up in sun and rain. Some other examples are U for unicorn, U for uniform, U for utensils. V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables, orange, red and green. Some other examples are V for van, V for vase, V for violin. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon is the summer fruit. Some other examples are W for well, W for wool, W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree looks beautiful with balls and gifts. Some other examples are X for X-ray, X for Xerox, X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak is found high up in mountains. Some other examples are Y for yo-yo, Y for yarn, Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra has black and white stripes. Some other examples are Z for zip, Z for zero, Z for zoo. Recognize the given pictures and write the first letter of their names. The first one has been done for you. N for nest, Z for zebra, O for owl, Q for queen, S for ship, R for rat, Y for yak, V for vegetables, U for umbrella, X for Xmas tree, W for watermelon, P for parrot. Fruits. A for apple, B for banana, O for orange, M for mango, W for watermelon, G for guava. P for pomegranate. G for grapes. Vegetables. T for tomato. P for potato. B for brinjal. P for peas. C for cauliflower. P for pumpkin. C for cabbage. T for turnip. Birds. O for owl. P for pigeon. C for cock. C for crow. S for sparrow. V for vulture. P for penguin. P for parrot. Animals. D for dog. M for monkey. E for elephant. B for bear. T for tiger. C for camel. G for giraffe. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.